Imagine a 500-meter-wide meteor hurtling towards Earth at incredible speeds. Upon impact, it would create an enormous crater, likely several kilometers wide and hundreds of meters deep. Picture the meteor's speed and angle of impact, influencing the size and depth of this vast cavity. Now visualize the surrounding rock layers being uplifted and overturned, forming a distinctive ring-shaped structure known as a central peak or peak ring. This initial impact and the resulting crater would just be the beginning of a series of catastrophic events. The meteor's impact doesn't stop at a crater. It would generate powerful shockwaves that propagate through the Earth's crust, triggering seismic activity and earthquakes. These aren't just minor tremors, but potentially catastrophic quakes that could topple buildings and tear apart infrastructure. Picture skyscrapers swaying, bridges buckling, and roads splitting open, all resulting from an event happening kilometers away. But the devastation doesn't stop there. The impact would catapult vast quantities of rock dust and debris into the air at high velocities. This ejecta wouldn't just fall back down around the crater. It would spread out in all directions, raining down over a vast area. Imagine a hail of debris causing secondary impacts, hundreds or even thousands of kilometers away from the impact site. As if the immediate impacts weren't enough, the meteor's interaction with our atmosphere would lead to even more far-reaching consequences. The impact would release vast quantities of dust, debris, and gases into the atmosphere, leading to atmospheric disturbances and changes in weather patterns. Imagine the sun obscured by a thick veil of dust, casting the Earth into a temporary chill. Rain and snow patterns could be altered, creating a ripple effect on ecosystems worldwide. Now, picture the intense heat from the impact igniting wildfires on an unprecedented scale. These aren't your typical fires. We're talking about firestorms so large and powerful they create their own weather systems. The smoke and ash from these firestorms would further pollute the air and alter the atmospheric composition. If our meteor were to dive into an ocean or a large body of water, the scenario takes a watery turn. The colossal splash would generate tsunamis with waves potentially hundreds of meters high, racing across the ocean to devastate coastal areas. These disasters could potentially trigger an extinction-level event, leading to mass extinction of plant and animal species. A 500-meter-wide meteor hitting Earth would result in catastrophic consequences for our planet's surface, atmosphere, and biosphere. From creating kilometer-wide craters to triggering seismic activities, ejecting debris that alters our climate, igniting global firestorms, and even potentially triggering tsunamis and mass extinctions, the impact is devastating. It underlines the importance of our efforts to detect and monitor near-Earth objects and develop strategies for planetary defense. As we continue to explore the cosmos, understanding these potential risks is key to ensuring the survival of our planet and species.